Glade 486. And if you guys can hear only the TV, link down in the comments if you guys are getting pissed off. So we're gonna be showing you how to get a lockpick normally. Okay, Nabes, catch me all you want. I got a pushing ability. That means when he like gets me, I push him. Okay. So you go up here. And as you can see here, look, go up here. You can see the lockpick. The lockpick's in there. So the way to get it is you just do this. First you have to magnet an item. Then you magnet the item in here. There. Then it's open. Then you can grab the lockpick. And I don't know where to use this lockpick on. Let's go to a lock place where it's a lock.
Ganito na lang, bibigyan ko kayo ng gamot na papakapit. And I'd like to see you after 3 days.
Let's go to the camera room. The camera room. Where is it? It's here. It's up here. Okay, go here. Double jump. Let's go over here. This lock. And we got the key. You got another umbrella. So that's how you can get the lockpick. And I know that it has been quick, but I'll also show you guys how to complete the no seam part. And then also we're gonna do the walkthrough for the basement, because I already unlocked the basement. Okay, I got this thing. Actually, we need an umbrella for this. Parkour. Parkour, go! There's an umbrella in here, I know. There's the umbrella. It's more like a gun to me. Okay, let's get out. Out, out, out. The boxes. Dude, I'm glitching. Nice. There. So as you can see, we're going to get a new ability. And that new ability will kind of be like you can't see. Okay guys, so we're here in a store.
Napaka-cute na alien. Naroon to, saan yung battery niya? At ito pong trabida sa kwet na this Sleeping Beauty.
Kahanga na mapagpili mo nito.
CJ7, ngiti! CJ7, 10:45 a.m. Magnificent, 12:30 p.m. Back-to-back.
Okay, that's just something else that's not part of this video. It's just because my mom is watching.
Makinig na birthday sa lubog para kay Danielle at Sizzle Dance performances from F3 with Bye and Baka. May special tribute pa para sa mga magulang ng ating frontliners. Plus trending songs from your favorite pamilya artists. At ang lahat na mas na single lads from OPM
The pickles.
May batas tayo sinusunod. Luma na yan, tumete. Umupo na kayo. Kapag nasa panganib, siya ang maaasahan. Pagkapalit ka, naniningil lang.
May nagkakapulat sa akin. Tulungan mo lang ako.
Siguradong ipaglalaban ka.
Sa tundo, pagsisimpahin kitang may bulag sa ilong.
Kung hindi dahil sa siya, wala ang bayan ng dasla. O ay nabubuhay dahil sa mga labrador kung wala sila. Wala ka rin. Ganyan si The King, ang Hari FPJ on ABS-CBN, Sunday, 3:30 p.m.
Pinapigilan ng toddler sa sweets, no? Kaya sa milk, new Nido 3 Plus na. All the goodness of milk with no added table sugar. 66 nutrients for digestion, brain, and protection. Choose Nido 3 Plus.
So there's our cart. We need the correct items. So first we need chips,
Lahat ng maganda.
pickles, orange juice.
Parang panlaba.
Where's the orange juice?
Mamahalin, mapiliin.
The orange juice.
New Surfed Active Clean
Orange
Technology.
juice.
Mas pinagaling magpaputi, magtanggal kulog, at mas pinabango pa. Singgaling na mamahalin panlaba, pero di mamahalin. Vibrant lang. New Surfed Active Clean.
Then we need a bottle of juice, and then the peanut butter.
Kinalulungkot ko nangyari, anak. Lalabas na ako sandali.
I can see a mannequin. It spotted us. Cause the way you can know that like the mannequin spotted you, you'll hear their like tit 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 tit. Yeah. So there are actually 3 abilities that you have to unlock for the basement. Double jump, which you need the red key. The pushing, which is what you need the green key. And this one where you just try to get that lever with a button. But you also need an umbrella with you. No. No. Don't move. Kidding me?
Eh kung pwede ko lang lutuin lahat ng mga paborito mo, nak, ginawa ko na.
Sa budget.
Are you kidding me? What's that?
Naku ate, hindi malaman na namin yung mangyari sa'yo. Sobrang pagmamadali, hindi makalimutan yung tatay yung chinelas niya.
Napaaga-aga na, nak. Kahit sana sa ospital, nasamahan ka namin.
Nice, we got the cherry juice. Yeah, it's cherry juice. Because I saw the sign of cherries. Then the peanut butter. What's with these shoppers?
Hindi rin kami tatagal. Pinsita lang namin yung mga bata.
Suporta lang ba? Of course. Natutuwa nga ka pinisita yung si Irene. She needs all our support now, more than ever. If you'll excuse me.
Kidding me? I hate this.
Natoy, may tutulong ba ako sa'yo sa negosyo? Now that you're busy being here with Irene.
No. Kidding me? We have to do this.
Ikaw pa magdi-deliver. Buti sana kung napapansin niya ng tatay mo yung ginagawa mo para sa epal mo pinsan.
Ito naman. Pasama lang ako. Kasama pang sermon. Mukhang tumapon yung iba.
Sa wakas, siya na matoy.
Okay, so
Malaki yung luto mo ah. Sinunod sa atin mo. Tahimik ka nga dyan.
it's taking this so long? That's why I hate mannequins.
Pasensya na ho. Nakubi ko ng paano. Akin na. Nakubi kasi dito sa amin eh.
Pasensya na. Okay na. Salamat.
I wish that I could do the blinking thing that cannot see me with me moving. Okay guys, so we're about to get to the exit. We have all our items.
Gulat ka? Bagong class release. Washing expert. Tanggalin mo sa kwento sa loob ng
I'm glitching.
kahit di ko sabihin.
No!
Clean.
Kahit yung washing machine, kahit perfectly.
Washing expert. Yung kahit perfectly.
He's like, cash register this man. He's like, I wanna purchase this guy.
Miss, mahawak ka. Hipo na pagkakataon.
Sorry talaga. Balik na lang po kayo bukas.
Pare, huwag kang mag-alala. May pag-asa pa. Dahil mas madali na ang paghahanap ng trabaho. Sa bagong trabahanap.com, ang website na tutulong sa job hunting mo. Login na lang.
Where's my card?
Walk-in. Daming choices. Pwede pang mag-apply sa mga trabahong malapit sa'yo. Ilang clicks lang. May interview ka na. Yes! Kita mo? Ang dali, di ba?
Dude, we're so far away.
Tayo, ah.
Pogi talaga ng tatay ko.
Ano ka mo yung si Ego?
Register na! Trabahanap.com.
Ang programang ito
Oh shoot!
SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema,
No!
lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Salamat na ito.
Dude,
Kaya mo kami, tulong sa pamilya.
are you kidding me? I hate these mannequins.
Ate, ano naman pala? Kamusta? Napilitin ata siya pumunta ng Pangasinan, nakakahiya. Nakakatakot naman ng mga minato. Tahimik.
Ma'am, pasensya na ako kayo. Wala sa itang dito. Sa lubong sa inyo eh.
Okay lang, biglaan din naman ang dating ko rito.
Clara, bigyan mo pa na ibang ulam si ma'am.
Sarap ng pagkain nyo, ha? Sino nagluto?
Naku, yan ho si Clara ang nagluto. Yan ho ang pinakamagaling magluto dito sa amin.
Dali. Tita, ako Chi. Sige natin.
Hello?
Ma, nag-aalala kami sa'yo. Gusto ka dyan, ano?
Dude, this is so hard.
Surprisingly, nag-i-enjoy ako dito. Tahimik, sarap ang hangin, relaxing. At ang mga tao
Okay, guys. No, I'm not ending this video not until we do the big split.
Alam mo, Natoy, dapat dalasan mo ang punta mo rito. Malay mo, nandito ang magandang kapalaran mo.
No! The blinking thing came too late. This is why I hate things that are late.
Sanay kami sa gawaing bahay, aling teta, kaya hindi mo kailangan pasalamat sa amin. Gusto naman namin tumulong habang andito. Ayaw naman namin basta parang bisita lang.
Sige.
Naku, mukhang magtatagal dito ha.
tatay mukhang magtatagal dito kasi mukhang hindi masarap eh.
Pasensya ka na, Lucy. Hindi lang yung ulam na kaya namin lutuin. Kaya
Come on.
yan lang ang naluluto namin.
Naku, Mang Doming, it's okay. Next time mo kasi, huwag na mo kayong mag-alala. Si Eileen na lang mo askasuhin mo. Basta daw kayo rito eh.
Kasi wala ako sa anak ko.
See, you can also do it by standing. If you crouch and then stand.
Demonita? Anong demonita dun? Ako na nga lang nagpapakatotoo dito sa bahay na to. Tsaka isa pa, porket dumambot
And if you watch FGTV, you guys saw that they can't take out their items. But you can if you stand on the carts.
Patricia pala natapos mo, kaya pala ang sarap mo magluto.
And this is why Daddy's a dude.
Alam mo, dapat sa'yo, nagtatayo ka ng restaurant. Yung serving authentic Pangasinense dishes. Naku,
We're almost there.
nakasamba lang mo ako siguro kanina. Nakakahiya nga eh. Hindi naman mo namin akalain na dadating mo kayo. Sana nakapagluto pa ako ng marami-rami.
Okay guys, we're almost there.
Sayang naman yung talento mo kung nagsisilbi ka na sa mga trabahador. Nagkataon lang mo yun. Meron po akong maliit na negosyo sa bayan. Pero ang pinagkakaabalahan ko talaga ngayon ay ang pag-aasikaso kay tatay. Lalo mo kasi si nanay.
No!
Kaya ako ang namamahala sa bahay. At saka masyado nang busy si tatay
Come
sa
on.
pag-aasikaso ng mga kababayan namin. Oo nga, no? Kapitan ng tatay mo dito. Oo. Ay, ma'am, gusto niyo makita yung email?
I'm only running for the exercise. I swear to God, I'm not terrified. I like that song.
Tawagin, ma'am. Tawagin mo na lang ako, Tita Conchine.
No!
Kamusta mo yung biyahe nyo? Hindi kayo napagod?
Ay, hindi ah. Nag-enjoy nga ako eh.
Parang gusto na nga doon
Take it in.
tita eh.
Oy, mabilidicus. Hindi ko naman pagpapalit itong bahay natin.
No, I have to restart all my hard work. Why don't we just push our cart there first, then we go grab the items.
Natoy, ikaw ah. Hindi ka nagsasabi. Meron palang isang mapakit at magandang babae doon. Clara ang pangalan niya. She's such a lovely lady.
Kaya lang, hindi ko masyado nakakasama.
But why don't we just get the
Napakatahimik.
chips first, then
Mahinhin,
we
talagang
get the other stuff.
isang dalagang Filipina. Alam mo bang napaka-thoughtful niya? Siya pa nga nagpadala ng mga prutas na yun. Alam mo bang nutritionist siya? She'd make a fine wife. Sige. Tatay! Andito pa kayo?
Okay, guys.
Ang ibig ko sabihin,
So, if this is
bakit hindi niyo
taking
hayaan
out
si Tetay
long,
gumawa ng mga ito?
and
Tatay!
this is because this is really hard.
Tatay naman, bakit mo naman sila pinapayagan gumawa ng mga ito? Hindi ba
And we
natin-
can't go down the basement without this ability.
Para lang naman sa amin. Ayaw naman namin mabawasan yung pagkain.
Okay.
Isa pa, ayaw daw pala yun ng luto namin.
I'm sorry about that. Pero, hindi pa rin dapat kayo nag-aasikaso ng ito. Ang dapat asikasuhin mo, si Irene. She needs all your attention. Habang nandito kayo sa poder namin,
No!
kami na ang bahala sa inyo.
Nato ka ba? Okay ka na?
Hindi naman ako pwedeng magmukmuk habang buhay na ito eh. Kaya papasok na ako sa trabaho.
I hate mannequins.
Nakikita
I
ko
hate
naman na
standing
ginagawa
still and
nila para
waiting.
maging okay ako. Kaya dapat gawin ko rin yun para sa sarili ko.
Yan ang asawa ko.
Because this video will take so long.
Magpapaalam na po sila tatay mamaya. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo.
And guys,
Considering what happened,
put a like down on this video
for 3 days.
if you guys want me to teach you guys more secret stuff.
Guys, ano pala? Ako lang mag-edit.
So, link down in the comments which one is the one that you guys don't really know and it's not there, okay? Like this one or the basement one or the, what do you call this? The lockpick, yeah. So guys, nice. There's no clicking sound now. There's no sounds anymore. But I'm such a doof nugget because I have to. Ooh, nummy.
Paklaran natin si John.
No, don't go back.
Wala ho akong natanggap na textile.
Saan naman ang suot kaya yun? Hoy, huwag mong pakikialaman yung paninda niya at baka magkagulo yan.
Nililinis ko lang ho. Maali ka po kasi.
Sumasagot pa eh. Hello, o bakit? Ha? Ano nangyari kay Jun? Anak nga. Sige, pupunta na ako dyan.
Bakit ho tayo? Ano ho nangyari kay Jun?
Patrobol na naman. Pupuntahan ko. Parating na si Datoy. Ikaw na bahalang gumistima sa kanya. Ayusin mo ha. Pasensya na ka mo at may emergency na. Sige na.
Nice, I can reach that.
Pag naranasan at patuloy,
Ikaw kaya nagsiselo sa amin ni Fu Hangzhou.
Ikaw lang ang makakausap sa akin ng ganyan.
Kasi ako lang ang nag-iisang yingluwa mo.
No. Well, luckily I got to run again. We're only running for the exercise. I swear to God, I'm not terrified.
Pangon mo na sarili mong bahay. Tingnan lang natin kung gaano katatagal bilang ministro ng hukbo.
May pitong dahilan para sa pagtatakwil. Tatlo na ginawa mo na. Magbalat-balat ka na. Umalis ka na rito.
Ako pa na nag-iisang asawa mo!
Mga likod! Ilabas niyo siya!
No. They're on my tail.
Naalala ko na
Namamatay siyang lumalaban at pinagsisilbihan ang mga tao niya.
sa dami ng babae, bakit siya pa ang minahal mo? Ang taong hinahangaan ko, di kita nakakaintindi sa akin. Tulad tigmaan ko, hinaman ni Lord Fuhang si Odon at mula po nun. Wala na kami dalawa.
No.
story of young sea palace. Pagkatapos ng tubig at langis.
Para may nagdag protection sa sakit, our bodies and vitamins.
Okay, guys, so we're almost there.
We get these.
We're supposed to put the items in.
Tulong para matibay ang immune system.
At healthy ang buong katawan.
Shopping list. Bag of chips. Check.
Tayo?
Don't go backwards.
Lahat ng maganda, kailangan mamahalin.
No, don't go in yet.
Para panlaba, lahat ng magaling, mamahalin. Yung wais.
New Surfed Active Clean Technology. Mas pinagaling magpaputi, magtanggal kulog, at mas pinabang pa. Sinagaling na mamahaling panlaba, pero di mamahalin. 550 lang. New Surfed Active Clean.
Nope.
Masyadong nag-isip ha.
There we go.
Ka naman, parang hindi ka masyadong nangayat ha.
Tay, kayo rin po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Come on.
Tagay, salamat.
Babe, wala na ako.
Mag-ingat ka din dun ha. Huwag ka masyado magpakapagod. Kasi rin ako ito mo pa isa sa
So we got all 5 items. Finally, we get to complete it.
Tapos nila ako kay Rego.
Babe, huwag kang mag-alala. Okay ako.
Natoy, bakit parang malamag yung sisi mo?
Okay, so this gameplay is actually kind of awesome.
Iwan mo na lang papagawa ko rin sa kaibigan ko alahera. Sige ka, baka malaglag yan.
We will get locked.
Tamas namang
The door will shut.
Para sigurado tayo.
Look. Green, 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 and green. Now that we are... This kind of took long, right, guys? I'm gonna see how many minutes that took. 25 minutes, are you kidding?
Hanggang may tatago mo, gagawin ko.
Good. Now, we got this.
Sayang naman. Perfect woman for you are still out there.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna get to the basement, walk through. Okay, now we're gonna go down here. So we're going here, the basement. We're going to where the basement is now. See, we got the umbrella and I made a mess. Yay, go to the basement. I'm happy that the neighbor, he doesn't like grab like chairs and stuff to like lock stuff. Mommy, that's too loud. Okay guys, so if the TV's too loud and you guys are getting distracted, don't blame me, blame my mom. Because she was the one who was watching. So we're here. I know what to do with this part. Shadow Man. Okay.
Nakaranas ka na rin ng ilaw.
Babe,
Gulat na gulat ka.
babe, kasi gulatan mo signal dito.
Masusubukan na ang kanilang mga puso.
Posible ka din magsabihin, pero hindi ka nagkakaroon ng kahit kailan.
Magkakaapo lang si Mama kung hindi si Aaron mo.
Nice.
Gusto mo, bakit ka nandito?
So now we got that.
Magkakalamat na ang kanilang relasyon.
We unlock the door.
Asawa siyang kailangan balikan.
The brick wall. Break through. And go. Go. Look. Nice. Lock the door. You can't open it. So we gotta run. I'm only running for the exercise. And swear to God, I'm not terrified. Nice, it's now unlocked. Whoa, that's the guy who unlocked us in Act 2. Actually, I haven't showed it to you guys, but maybe I would show you one cheat way to in there. So that's how you get to the act finale. And I just want to show you guys the last scene. Look at this. Actually, yeah, this will end here. Look at this. Let's.
Kalaban ng palasyo ng Yanchi. Ayokong makuha pa ng pansin. At isa pa ba na ganito? Sige, kumilos ka na.
Look at this.
Lagyan mo na to ng benta.
Whoa!
Ipatingin natin yan sa doktor.
Bilis. Isama mo ko ng gamot.
Let's go get the hat. I'm wearing the hat. So, yeah, I got low battery now. But I'll just show you this one. You just take an item, then you throw it at switch. Didn't work. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe if you really like this video, and leave a thumbs up if you really want me to play. If you guys want me to teach you guys some more stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Sumaila